What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Brian Noonan here. In today's video, I want to give you some updates on what's going on with my Amazon FBA business, kind of which products I'm looking at launching, or am I currently launching any products. I wanted to give you guys an update on that. Also, I want to talk about Q4, getting prepared for Q4 coming up. You know, October 1st, October, November, December, we have Q4. It's the busiest shopping time period of the whole year, selling on Amazon and for Amazon FBA sellers. So I want to talk about how you get prepared going into Q4. I'll give you some tips and advice to make sure that you're set up for success, for making as much profits as possible. Also, should you launch a product in Q4? I'll talk about that. And I'm actually going to also show you guys a product that I will be launching or selling during Q4. I'm actually going to show you what the product is, and I want to document my journey of launching this product. You know, I've launched 8 products on Amazon so far. I've built out 2 brands. I continue to find products, you know, and help my students find products. And so I want to share with you guys what that product is, why I would sell it. This video, I'm going to be doing kind of a Christmas in July special. How do you get prepared for Q4? What is Q4? What types of products you should be selling in Q4? For those of you guys out there who are wanting to take full advantage of Q4 selling on Amazon. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller and mentor. Right here on this channel, I release 1 to 2 new videos every single week covering everything Amazon FBA related, being an Amazon seller, being an entrepreneur. If you like learning about Amazon and selling online, make sure to go down and give me a like on this video. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I love seeing new subscribers come in, and I can see each and every one of you who take just a minute to subscribe, and I appreciate each of you. Also, I do surprise 30-minute giveaway calls. I give away 2 calls every single video to 2 lucky winners who like the video, subscribe, or are subscribed, and drop me a comment down below. My job right here on this channel is to help educate, teach, and impact as many people as possible. I went from a drug addict all the way to a full-time 6-figure Amazon FBA seller. So if you're someone out there who also struggled with drugs or an addiction in the past, or just went through another struggle or challenge in your life, this channel is perfect for you. So without any other delays, let's jump into my computer here and go over Q4, getting ready for Q4, an actual product I will be selling, and other updates on my business coming up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been trying to... What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, I just wanted to start off by coming into my seller account here and just kind of showing you my current sales on one of my accounts. We've got 7-day sales here at the top, $2,107. I've got 5 campaigns I need to work on and update after the meeting here. But you can come down here and you can see my 30-day sales are about $33,712. I've sold 33 units today so far. It's just a little after 2 p.m. here on the West Coast. And I just wanted to be transparent with you guys and show you kind of an updated, this is my seller account, and show you my sales just to be transparent. But let's jump into the video. So I want to talk in today's video about Q4. How do you go about getting prepared for Q4? If you don't know what Q4 is, that's Q4. It's when the most sales and the most demand just explode and happen on Amazon. So, right, we have holidays coming up. We have people shopping like crazy online, you know, buying presents and just buying products, you know, for entertaining. There's so many different aspects of the holidays, and I get really excited about Q4 because it's just an awesome time of year. Most of my product sales double during that time of year, and so I want to give you guys some tips. We're about 2 months away. We're in July. We have August, September, and then we have October. So we're about 3 months away from Q4. October 1st is when Q4 starts, October, November, December. So it's 3 months, and some sellers with their products make over half of their revenue in Q4. Now, some big powerful tips I want to start off with for planning for Q4. Number 1, I don't recommend trying to launch a brand new product in Q4. And the reason is, guys, is because there's some big brands and some big sellers and just a lot of new sellers who try to sell during Q4 and rank their product. And it's really, really expensive to try to launch products in Q4 to a brand new product and have to spend on PPC. It can get really expensive really quickly because you have so many other big brands and sellers running PPC. It can get really expensive to try to launch a new product and rank. And then number two, guys, is storage fees. You want to be really careful on how much inventory you ship into Amazon. If you're trying to launch a brand new product in Q4 and you choose the wrong product that doesn't sell and you order way too many units, you can get stuck with high storage fees. Amazon storage fees are what Amazon charges for keeping our inventory in their warehouse, and storage fees double during Q4. So I want to show you here a quick tip on how to calculate how many units you should order for Q4. So I recommend already having a product or two launched before October 1st. So get those products launched before Q4 to prepare yourself, and so you don't have to be launching in Q4. We want to show you in today's video how to calculate how many units you should order to make sure you have enough units to meet the demand and to make really good profits, but to not over order and that you're stuck with too much inventory and start to get really high storage fees. So what I recommend doing is, let's say you're going to be selling this coffee warmer for desk, which is actually one of the products I'm most likely going to be launching. I wanted to share this product with you guys just to be transparent, let you guys know what I'm working on in my own Amazon business. This is a product I'm currently working on launching. It's a coffee warmer for desk. Right now the BSR is very high, but the revenues are strong even in the middle of summer. So if the revenues are this high in the middle of summer, think what they're going to be in the middle of winter, October, November, December, January. So this is a good product all around. We got low reviews here. We got high sales. We've got a good price point. I can come in with an upgraded, differentiated version that stands out and start to make some really good sales. Obviously, it makes a great gift for the winter, a great just product all around. It's not too expensive to source. I'm going to be offering an upgraded model, and I will be documenting me launching this product here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you're always checking back. So you make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you guys can watch me launch this product together. Oh, what I recommend doing is opening up a couple of the main competitors here in this space. So let's open a few that have the most, like over 500 reviews. And the reason I choose those ones is because they've been selling the longest and they will have the most data. And what we need to do to calculate, okay, you're going to be selling this product in Q4. You're going to launch the product before October 1st to make sure that you don't have to rank and launch during Q4. But how would you go about estimating how many units should you order to be prepared to sell well during Q4 and not run out of stock and not get charged a lot of storage fees? You can come down here to the Helium 10 sales graph. You can come down here and go back into December of last year on your top 3 to 6 competitors. Pull up their listings, come down to this sales graph. This red line is BSR. You'll go to the middle of December in Q4 and look at their sales rank. You'll grab this sales rank. 3,000 is roughly what it was at in December, 2,500 to 3,000. You'll grab the category, which is down here, home and kitchen, and then you'll use a free tool, the Jungle Scout Sales Estimator. We'll come in here, guys. We're going to plug in the sales rank that we just got from December Q4 of last year. We're going to choose the USA Marketplace. We're going to put the category, which was home and kitchen, the sales rank of 3,000, and calculate sales. Okay, guys, we can see here that the number of estimated sales that seller was making from that one product was almost 5,000 units a month in December. That's crazy, I know, but what you would want to do is open up a couple other ones and make sure you get the real picture here. So let's even grab like this one here. It's got 2,000 reviews, which is a lot of reviews. Hopefully you'll be going into Q4 with a couple hundred reviews to be competitive. But same thing, guys. We're going to scroll down to the Helium 10 sales graph. We're going to look at the red line under all time. We're going to grab the sales rank or the BSR from Q4 of last year. We're going to get that number, and then we're going to go over to the the Jungle Scout Sales Estimator. So we can see this sales rank in the middle of December was right around 600 to 1,000. So I'll take right in the middle of that. We'll take 800 sales rank, calculate sales. This seller was making 11,000 units per month in sales just in December alone. So we've got really, really high sales here. So you guys would do this for your top 3 to 5 competitors who have a really similar product as yours, as you're going to be selling. Grab their sales rank, plug it into the Jungle Scout Sales Estimator with the category and the marketplace, and then estimate sales and then take an average. That's about how many units on average, those sellers are selling in December, and that's just December. So you may take half that number. If your top sellers are making anywhere from, let's say, 2,000 to 10,000 units in sales in December, I would go towards the low end just to be cautious. 2,000 units times 3, you would need roughly 5,000 to 8,000 units for Q4. Sales just are crazy and they explode wildly during Q4. It's a great time of year. In fact, some sellers make over half of their revenue during Q4 during the whole year. They make half their revenue just during Q4. So it's a really powerful time to sell, but I want you guys to be cautious on estimating how many units you think you're going to need, making sure you've already launched the product ahead of time and not in Q4. There's even products on Amazon in categories like toys and games that you're not even allowed to launch a new product in. There's been a lot of counterfeit issues and problems with sellers selling fake products during Q4. So Amazon is actually off limits toys and games for new sellers and new product listings during October, November, December. So you want to make sure whatever product you're selling, you get it launched ahead of time. You start to build some momentum, get ranked, get some reviews, and then estimate here with this free tool how many units your main competitors were selling during that time. And then that's how you'll know how many units you'll need to order so that you don't order too much and that you don't order too little so you can stay in stock and make really good money. Okay, another tip I want to give you guys is, let's say for those of you out there who maybe have already launched a product, if you're in product research phase and you're looking for products, make sure to check out this other video up here. I will link. This video will show you how to find products if this is your first product. But for this next tip, for those of you out there who maybe launched a product and it's taking off, which I know a lot of my students' first products are taking off. My students are part of the Amazon for All training program with my 60-day mentorship. You can check down below in the video description for more information on the Amazon for All course with my 60-day mentorship. If you would like some one-on-one help, we get on Skype or Zoom video calls together 2 times a week for up to 8 weeks, and I walk you through step-by-step of launching your business. But for most of my product sales, my student sales, most of our sales have never been higher. There's a lot of demand right now, but let's say you've launched that product, your first product, and it's selling really, really well. What should you do next? Let's say you launched a product in home and kitchen. Should you go out now and launch another product in home and kitchen, or should you branch out into a different category like patio, lawn, and garden? I actually first recommend trying to launch another related product in the same category and related to that first product. The real money to be made on Amazon, guys, is in building brands. Amazon is moving towards this and encouraging us as sellers to focus on building brands. And so if you've got a product that's working and making money, try to find other products that are related to it, build out a brand. And you guys do not have to have brand registry or a trademark in the very beginning to build a brand or to launch a product with your own brand name. You can use whatever brand name you want, as long as it's not already taken and you check on Trademarkia or USPTO.gov to make sure that brand name is available. And then eventually, once you start selling the product and making some profits, then you can invest into the Amazon IP Accelerator program and get a trademark and brand registry in just 2 weeks. But you can absolutely, and you should, brand your product from the very beginning. So building a brand is where the money is at for sure. So we're going into July, guys, going into Christmas in July. And so I thought I'd just do a Christmas in July video theme, talking about how powerful Q4 is and giving you guys some updates on my business and which products I'm going to be launching next. And then also a look at how I go about planning for Q4. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, Christmas in July, talking about Q4 and getting ready for it. And I hope you guys got some great information out of this video. Make sure to drop me a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe, and you'll be automatically entered to win a 30-minute call with me. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.